1.22 season 10. April 30th, 2018. This Lofty Bakery. Monday.
You're eating. I'm here to touch the butt.
Gachi base, dude.
Get out of here. You're a brawn.
Oh wait, fuck. Brigitta's a thing. Damn it.
Yeah, why do you think I'm playing the Dochon?
Making sure my sensitivities are kosher. Do I have time?
And you are looking as lovely as ever.
Soju. Soju's the last one. Top left, setting up.
My deck has no pathetic dying.
They have dive, they have dive.
Gotta keep an eye on the heals on Bastion. Gotta make sure Bastion stays alive. They're gonna be going for us mostly.
Barrier's down.
Fall back, fall back, fall back, fall back. Fall back. We have 2 kills. You stay safe, stay alive, stay alive. We have a longer run back than them. Briggy can push up. Diva, Diva, Diva. Monkey. Baby Diva, Baby Diva, Baby Diva. Kree, 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 Kree.
Creed half, Creed half. You can kill him, just kill him, just kill him.
He's getting heals from
Got him.
Mercy.
Yeah, I'm going after.
Reset, they have 3 down right now. Good pull, very good pull.
You baited!
What a pick.
Make sure you're not too close to the Bastion so that he can see. If your model's like right and hugging him, he can't aim at anything.
Just trying to get ult right now.
There's on Bastion. Might need to fall back. Or should we fall back? Fall back, fall back, fall back, fall back, fall back. Tank form. There's on Bastion. Save ults, save ults. We have 2. We've used 2 ults. We have a kill. Baby Deeves. 2 kills, 2 kills. 2 kills. We have 2 kills. They rezzed 1. They rezzed the monkey. Monkey's gonna jump away. Monkey dead. Stay safe. Stay together. We have 2 down presently. Be on point. Be on point. Be on point.
Hanzo 1, Hanzo 1.
Give it up. Don't die. Back up. Back up. We have a long run back. Just back up. Let him have it. There's on Bastion. There's on Bastion. Try to walk up a little bit. We can stop it and hold it at corner. We have a kill. That's big. That's big. Kills on Hog. Come on.
Get the half, get the half.
We can hold it at corner there.
Find it.
Diva, Diva right side. Diva's gonna flank behind us.
There, you're almost down.
Copy. They probably have self-destruct.
There,
Get
down.
by cover. Get by cover. Steve in the back, self-destructing. Lost our Bastion. They're down 1. 5 on 5 in the front. We have ultimate. Might need a sound barrier. It's a 5 on 5 in the front. Their Diva's down. Our Bastion's down. We have 3 ultimates right now. We might need a sound barrier soon. It's a 5 on 4 in the front. They have 2 down.
You're not moving.
Their Diva's coming back. 5 5 on 4 in the front. We have 3 ultimates. Close to the sound barrier. Close to our other 3 ults. Try not to use all ults at once.
McCree right side. He's flanking right now.
They have 1 down. They have 2 flanking top right.
I'm doing the back lines.
Try to stay together. Be in line of sight of healers and tanks. Try to save ults if we can. They're using like 3 ults. They use Primal Rage. They use their Brig ult.
Use the dog.
I got 2.
We have 2. We have 3 kills. We can maybe win this. Might be winnable.
Bap him, Bastion. Bap him.
We gotta back out. 3 on 3. Mercy on payload. Baby Diva. Tank forming.
Left side. Brigitte, left side.
Monkey.
Mercy. Nice.
Good finish. We can hold it right here. We're doing better than them. We have probably ult advantage. They have 3 ults probably still. They probably have Dragon Strike, High Noon maybe, and Whole Hog.
Wait, what?
They have Whole Hog, Dragon Strike. What did you say?
Bridget on right.
They just got Roadhog.
Okay. They got a couple flanking right.
Right side,
Mercy
flanking,
1, good pull,
right
huge pull. Right side flank. 5 on 5, their Mercy's down.
Watch out. They're gonna ult behind you.
Recharge.
Behind you.
Watch, keep right in the back right. Watch the positioning, watch your positioning. Back right, he's back behind us. 5 on 5. We traded.
Coming back.
Our Bastion's down. We might need the ults, we might need a good pulse bomb. They have 2 down presently. We have 2 ults in the pocket. 5 on 3 in the front. We have numbers. 4 on 3 in the front. We still have numbers. We're up numbers.
Hog
We
1.
have 2 coming from spawn room. We have sound barrier. We might need the sound barrier. We might need it. We need to win this fight. We use the pulse bomb. We have 4 and 5. Our Bastion's back. Tank forming. Shut up if you can.
There, you're down.
There's one Bastion. Okay, I gotta change off. I can't get him to kill on Bastion.
Big slime.
There's no one there to clean up on it though.
It's overtime. Can we contest? I guess not.
We can.
Fall back, regroup.
Don't get staggered.
Like that. Barrier half.
I need to heal the shield. Don't let it
Bring
just
the barrier
almost
down.
die every time.
Oh my god, scatter.
I'm gonna send a Riptire. Got 1, got 2, we got 2 kills. They traded kills. We have 5 on 4 in the front. We can win this fight. We are up numbers. We have 2 ults. We have 5 on 4, 5 on 2, 5 on 3, 5 on 3. We have numbers. They have 1 down right now.
Sounds like they're going left side.
There, you're going down.
Dude, you gotta trade.
McCree 1. McCree right side. He's gonna try to ult you guys. Right side.
Good ult.
Above.
Brian, go on point. What are you doing?
gotta swing sometimes, Ryan.
Dude, shut up, man.
Like, you gotta swing, seriously.
Gotta let it rip. Trust me, I believe in you. I believe in the heart of the Ryan.
Good job.
I am the Brigitte now, bitch. What happens if we're GM Ryan hurts? Would you accept it then?
Prepare to attack. Select your hero.
I mean, it's scatter arrow. You can't. Everyone's gonna complain until it gets buffed. Can I look it? I can take 600.
In your face.
Technically, you take 2,500, but
30 seconds.
who's counting?
But I will see them done.
Who counts nowadays, dude? Let's be real.
No, you're doing great, Ryan. Just tell me when you're fire striking, so I know I'm not right behind you.
Alright, ready? Watch this pick.
2, 1. Attack commencing.
With
Capture objective A.
Nice.
Wow.
You gotta
That
kill.
you have mercy.
Our Tracer's gonna run in and touch point.
Okay,
Our
scatter.
Tracer's on point.
balance.
5 on 5. 5 on 5. Our Tracer's on point. They gotta fall back. They're falling back.
They're falling back. They're falling.
They're
Dive on
falling
them right
back.
now. You can kill the Hanzo. Kill the Hanzo. Oh, wait, no man. Nice job.
They have one down. Junk down. Orisa low.
You like that pick, baby? That's the play.
Well done. That's a beautiful pick. You gotta go Bastion.
Objective A captured. Escort the payload.
Keep in mind, our Bastion will have full aggro. We're gonna be trying to kill them at all times.
They're playing super aggro right now.
Playing really aggressively. They're really close.
Two fish on right side back.
Moira one. Moira one.
He's on Ryan. He's on Bastion. Whoa, whoa, where are the heals? Where?
Tracer one behind. Big slime.
They have both healers down. They have their Hanzo down. They only have 3 alive. It's a 4 on 3 in front. 4 on 3 in front. 3 on 3 in front. We have spawn advantage. Their Tracer's down. He's on Bastion. He's on Bastion. And their Orisa might be bad. I think she's forgetting to put the shield down. Unless it was on CD, but that looks like the second time. Top, Hanzo top. Might need to fall back, no chase.
One, dude.
Please change off the Widow at this point. We got it.
Foggers.
Tracer low. Tracer down.
Zenyatta one.
Orisa's in. Up top right. Everyone top right. Everyone top right. Orisa's in. They're both dead.
Nice, nice. They're super staggered.
Hanzo top right. Hanzo top right. His on Bastion. His on Bastion. Good kill. They're really staggered. This should be it. Pink form.
I think they just gave it up.
Nah, we outplayed them. Good job. Just Mercy. Mercy on point by herself. Good job.
GG. .23 season 9. Sorry guys, but I like to stay to see the stats when we win. That was that guy's last day or so. Wow.
Yeah.
He had to go.
Yeah.
0.22 season 10, April 30th, 2018. It's Monday, La Vagary. And transmission.